Hello friends, so in today's session we'll be learning how to solve sums based on finding the present value, which is based on annual compounding, quarterly compounding and semi-annual compounding. So let's start off with the first question for the day. A father is planning for his son's further studies for MBA Finance. Son will begin college in 4 years and will need rupees 70,000. So how much would father have to invest today at 6% compounded annually interest rate to have rupees 70,000 in 4 years of time? Now observe my cursor very carefully. The question is asking to find out that how much father has to invest today. So indirectly the question is asking us to find out the present value. Okay, so first let us identify the values of n. Let us identify what is the value of r and what is our future value. So the n which is given to us in the question is 4 years. Rate of interest is 6%, which is compounded annually, and the future value given to us is 70,000 rupees. Now what is the formula of present value? Yes, the formula for present value is either you can use this formula or this one, but I will suggest using this formula if you are having scientific calculators. In case if you are not having scientific calculators, you can proceed with the help of this formula. So what we will do now is we will simply substitute the values of n, r and fv in this formula and get the final answer as 55,446 rupees and 56 paise, which means that father at today's date he has to invest rupees 55,446 to get 70,000 rupees after 4 years. Okay, let's move on to another sum. Now we will learn how to solve this sum on Excel also, but I'll be making this video in the next video series. For now let's move to another question. Yeah. Now we will learn how to find present value based on quarterly compounding. Okay, so the question says that Ram has opened a savings account with Axis Bank. The interest rate is 5% per annum compounded quarterly. Okay, I repeat, compounded quarterly. He wants an amount of rupees 6,000 in 7 years. What amount should he deposit today? Again, read the last line of the question. They are asking us what amount should he deposit today. Today means time 0. Time 0 means present value. So in this sum we have to find present value. Okay, now what we will do is we will apply this formula PV is equals to FV upon 1 plus R raised to N. Fine, and we will identify what are the values of N, R and FV. So the value of N is 28. Now you must be wondering how this 28, because in question it is given as 7 years, but very important to understand, this is compounded quarterly. Okay, so here in 1 year we have 4 quarters. So how many quarters are we going to have after 7 years? 28. We will just cross multiply 7 into 4, which is nothing equal to 28. So the value of n here is 28. And r, in our question the value of r is 5%, but again this is compounded quarterly. So what we will do is we will convert this 5% by writing as 5 upon 100. Why upon 100? Because it is percentage. So we wrote 5 upon 100 into 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. Okay, so this is how we give the effect of quarterly compounding over here. Fine, so if we solve for this, we get the answer is 0.0125. and from the question we know that the value of future value is 6000 rupees. Okay, so we'll simply substitute these values and get the answer as 4237.31. So Ram, he has to invest this much amount at today's date. Okay, so these were the two sums that we observed which solved for annual compounding and quarterly compounding. In my next video, I'll be talking about how to solve sums based on semi-annual compounding and how to solve all these three types of sums using Excel. So please friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you so much.